Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's lesson, out of these four letters, three have a heavy sound. First, let us recognize their shapes and then we will read them together. Inshallah ta'ala. Look at these two letters, Ta and Wa. Their shapes are very similar. Ta has no dot and Wa has one dot above. Now look at the next two letters, Ain and Ghain. Ain has no dot and Ghain has one dot above it. As we know, when we pronounce a heavy letter, the back of the tongue rises up. So when you say Ta, raise the back of your tongue. So please say after me, Ta. Yes, Ta. Again, Ta. MashaAllah ta'ala. When you say Gha, lift the back of your tongue as well. Say after me, Gha. Again, Gha. Now coming to the next two letters, for Ain, the tongue moves back towards the throat and sound comes from there. So say after me, Ain. Again, Ain. Repeat after me, Ain. And here is the last letter of our lesson. When you pronounce Ghain, the sound begins heavy and then it becomes lighter, like Gha, Gha, Ghain. When you pronounce Ghain, the sound begins heavy and then it becomes thin. Now say Ghain. Again, Ghain. Yes. Now repeat after me all four letters. Ta, Gha, Ain, Ghain. Again, Ta, Gha, Ain, Ghain. Again, Ta, Gha, Ain, Ghain. Dear brothers and sisters, before we end the lesson, I want to repeat one thing again. The key to reading the Qur'an well is practice. So please give your special attention to it and keep practicing. These are short videos. Go through them again and again until you feel the fluency developing within you. And that same fluency will appear in your Qur'an reading. Let's end the lesson here for today. We will meet again in the next class. Insha'Allah ta'ala.